Hello, boss. Are you looking for a fan coil manufacturing plant? You can take a look at the fan coil unit we produce. It is used as the terminal equipment in the central air conditioning system. It has cooling and heating functions and low noise. It is composed of centrifugal fans, coils, heat exchangers, and other components. The unit shell is made of high-quality aluminum zinc plate, which ensures lightweight and greatly extends the service life. The motor has passed 3C certification and has reliable performance. At the same time, we can OEM and ODM according to requirements. If you are interested in my products, I look forward to contacting you.